Hey, what's going on, everybody? Jeff Aman here. I just want to give you, first off, a congratulations for going ahead and starting a free trial with the Prosperity Marketing System. I know it's going to be one of the best decisions that you've made and that you're going to want to be a member for years and years to come and make a ton of money with it. Remember, it only takes one sale to completely break even because you're getting paid 100% commissions. And then, of course, there is all the back-end income streams, the main of which I'm about to show you right here. It's what I recommend. It's called Profit from Free Ads. Now, Profit from Free Ads is pretty much a business in a box. It allows you to resell advertising. And there's a reason why my main business is advertising. That's because 100% of everybody that comes through my prosperity marketing system and signs up under me, they all need the same thing. Everybody needs the same thing. I need it, you need it, and that is traffic, and a lot of traffic. All right, so profit from free ads has allowed me to get an insane amount of traffic, make a ton of sales, get a ton of leads, build my list, build up my prosperity marketing system, and also make a darn good income from it as well. So let me just go through, just quickly overview profit from free ads. There are many different ad pack levels that you can come in. I'm actually at ad pack 7, the tycoon level. And when you first get started under me, I'm going to give you a special link to where you can get, if you come in at ad pack 7, you're going to be able to get a huge discount on the entire package. And that'll be somewhere on this page underneath this video somewhere. But real quick, let me just go through. As you can see here, I'm in ad pack 7. I want to show you some of the stats that I'm getting as far as traffic. You get a ton of text ad views and banner ad views every single month, as well as solo ads every single month, depending on what ad pack level you came in at. So as you can see here, for my text ads, I've already got credits assigned. I've got 74,000 more views left, and I get these every single month. But check out the ad clicks. For this particular ad, I've had 25,000 clicks. There's another 25,000 clicks for my other ad, my other text ad, another 25,000 clicks. It's just insane the amount of traffic that my text ads are getting and my banner ads are getting. Here we have, I need to add some credits there. I'll do that after this video, but as you can see, I've got 14,000 clicks. Excuse me. For this banner ad, 14,000 for ad 2, and it just keeps on going down the line. Now, what's really cool is that because I'm at ad pack 7, I am able to send a solo ad to the entire membership of Profit from Free Ads, which is highly responsive, by the way. I'm able to send a solo ad every 2 days. So look at this solo ad right here. My last one, I get a 17% click-through rate and 927 clicks. Can you imagine getting, my last solo ad was almost 1,200 clicks. Can you imagine getting on average around 1,000 clicks every 2 days? It's 15,000 clicks just from the solo ads alone. Now, you can imagine how many of those people actually turning into leads and sales for me if I'm getting 15,000 just on the solo ads alone. So once again, profit from free ads, definitely one of my top advertising sources. In fact, it is my #1 advertising source. So I highly recommend you getting upgraded to the highest ad pack level that you can get. You'll be able to earn on the ad packs that you purchase. The first one starts out, you get a solo ad per month for life, and it's only $17. But like I say, I recommend getting to the highest ad pack level that you can. Tycoon has been amazing for me. I've already earned back way more than what I paid for it, and now that's just turned into free traffic for life. So essentially, because I've already been able to pay for it with my earnings, it's just free traffic now. So let me just give you a look at the commissions. They pay out every single week like clockwork. They've never missed a payment. I don't know if you know, Profit from Free Ads is owned by Jane Mark and Phil Bashton, and they've been in this industry for, gosh, way over a decade, and they've got, gosh, it's a network of, I don't know, 20, 30, 40, maybe even more sites than that. So they're going to pay you your commissions. They've been around for a long time. As you can see here already with profit from free ads, I've earned over $3,000 and really just getting started promoting it. So, like I say, this is a perfect back-end offer for your prosperity marketing system. I highly recommend that you either join profit from free ads, or you can do the $97 add-on, but I would just go and roll with profit from free ads. If you join profit from free ads, then there's no need to buy your add-on extension for whatever business it is you're promoting. And like I say, I think it's very important that you promote a product on the back end of your prosperity marketing system like profit from free ads, because everybody that comes through your prosperity marketing system is going to want to get traffic, needs traffic, and so it sells like crazy. And on top of that, it's just a fantastic product. So I love the commissions that I'm earning. I love the traffic that I'm getting. So go ahead, join profit from free ads. Like I said, I highly recommend getting in at the highest level ad pack that you are able to do. And then you're going to be able, when people come, when you start promoting prosperity marketing system, people are going to come in, join profit from free ads under you, and then you're going to be able to make a ton of money while getting a ton of traffic. And thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.